Hello, welcome to our Pali language lesson. Today we learn five simple nouns and five verbs in singular form. Ajja mayang pancha namani cha pancha akyatani cha ugannama. The noun puriso man, itti woman, samano monk, darako boy, ruko tree. The verbs gachati goes, agachati comes, nisidati sits, tittati stands, gunjati eats. Next week we will learn plural forms and simple sentences. Anagate bahuvachanani cha vakyani cha uganisama. Thank you very much.